What's up guys, Jacob here with another video, and today I want to show you the #1 way to clean concrete without wasting any time and achieving the best results. Before we get into that, if you are looking to start a pressure washing business of your own and want to learn more about how to clean each and every surface on a residential job site, check out that first link in the comment section and the description. Now, whenever it comes to cleaning concrete, there are a few different things you want to think about. Most importantly, you want to think about how you will approach this driveway or this job or concrete that you're getting ready to clean. If it is a sloped driveway, you will 95% of the time start from the top and work your way down. The other 5% of the time, you will want to get the bottom part of the driveway clean with about 4 to 5 passes of your surface cleaner, and then you will move back up to the top. I will go more into depth when the right time to do this is in just a second. Once you make it to the bottom, if it is a fairly small driveway that you can clean before any concrete starts to dry, then clean the whole driveway and then rinse it off. If it is a bigger driveway or the sun is beating down on it while you're cleaning, then you will most likely want to split this job into a few different sections, being that we don't want the water and mud that we're cleaning off of the driveway to dry on the surface, because this could result in having to double work, being that it can be very difficult to rinse, and you may have to even surface clean it for a second time if you let that dirt and that water sit and dry on the surface. So you will want to definitely rinse it off if it starts to look like it's going to dry before you finish surface cleaning. Now, before I tell you why I want you to start at the lowest spot of the driveway or concrete that other 5% of the time, if you are struggling to market your business or have no idea where to start or are just looking to scale your business to the next level, go check out the second link in the comment section and the description, where I'm going to personally teach you everything that you need to know about how to market and grow your business to the next level so that you are able to stay busy through those slow months and compete with the top competitors in your local area. So the main reason you would ever want to start at the bottom of the driveway versus the top, everybody knows that water runs down. If you notice that water is piling up at the bottom side of the driveway, you're going to want to start at the bottom side of the driveway and clean that before any water starts piling up too deep, because then it will make it very difficult for your surface cleaner to cut through all that water and clean the surface as thoroughly as it is everywhere else on the concrete. So if you notice that water is piling up at the bottom of the driveway, stop, move to the bottom of the driveway, make those 4 or 5 passes or however many passes you think it will take. Then you can move back up to the top of the driveway and continue washing your way down to that clean spot. After you finish cleaning the bottom side of the driveway, after you notice it's piling up, then rinse away what water you can. Make sure that you got everything clean before you move back up to the top, because if you start back at the top and not everything's cleaned and now you're trying to fight double the water you were before, it can be very difficult, and then you notice you miss spots and you're still fighting that water, and it can get very aggravating, especially after a long day's work. Maybe this is your second or third job. Now you're aggravated and you don't deliver the product that you know you can. You don't get a call back on this project next year because you didn't satisfy the customer because she had streaks and missed spots all in her driveway. If that water is piling up, remember to stop, move down, either rinse that water away, clean the bottom half of it, and then move back to the top. If it looks like it's draining good, then you can keep on moving down the driveway as you are. If that water is not piling up at the bottom of the driveway, this will save you so much time on your next driveway or concrete cleaning job. Now, if this has happened to you, or if this video will keep this from ever happening to you, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate you supporting the channel. And until next time, my name is Jacob, and as always, y'all stay happy, humble, and money hungry.